guys. Today I'm gonna be singing "Love Yourself" by Justin Bieber. I don't really like him. I just like his songs. Yeah, I'm not singing all of the lyrics. I'm just singing half of it because I don't really remember, so I read a note and I wrote the writer. And it took me a really while, like an hour. So I'm just gonna do half of the song. So here it goes. I'm so scared. For all the times that you ran on my, sorry guys. For all the times that you ran on my, and all the clothes you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. I didn't want to write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. And I think you should be something I don't want to hold back. Maybe you should know that, well mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong, 'cause I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. I'm gonna do another part 2. This was just my practice round. This is when I practice. I know I'm really bad, but I'm gonna start.